Hello, hello. So nice to see you. There are so many of you. Thanks for joining. So today I am going to teach you a new way how to read the sound eh, eh, eh. You already know this eh sound, don't you? But today you're about to learn a new one. Let me start by showing you a picture. These children are having a picnic. So much fun. They all brought something, food or drink, and they are sharing their stuff. Because you know what they say? Sharing is caring. When you share your stuff, you are caring for the others. Care and share. Care and share. I love the way you're saying care and share. Now, Frank had given me some words with the sound. Shall we play our usual game? Repeat after me. Care. Share. Spare. Scare. I'm just going to say the sounds now. You say the word. Care. Share. Spare. Scare. Well done. Now let's see what the sound looks like. Air. 3 letters. 1 sound. Special friends. Air. Children, keep in mind that this is a sound, not a word. When you see this as a word, we say are, as in they are going to school, for example. But as a sound, think of the phrase care and share. Air, not are, okay? Air. Let's look for our sound on our speed sound chart. Air. Watch me. Air. Care and share. Care and share. Are you ready to play the game? Off we go. Faster. Well done. It's time for another game. I'm now going to show you some sounds that you already know. Your mission is to say them as fast as you can. And when you spot today's sound, just say it a little bit louder. Ready to go? Off we go! Super duper! You were all amazing at spotting the A sound. Well done. You're getting better and better at this every time we meet. Keep it up, children. It's time for us to go. Don't forget the air sound. Try and read and write some words with this new sound. Keep it up. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.